Oh, anxiety. How you won't leave me the fuck alone. Can't you see I'm tired of your company? You can find another place to fulfill your unnecessary sinking emptiness in. Here's what my stream of consciousness does on anxiety. I wake up with my heart pounding every morning thinking how about I haven't done so many things I was supposed to do yesterday. I think about the jobs I don't have and the fact that I'm falling behind, but also the fact that I'm so talented in other things. But I also want the security of working for a big corporate company with benefits and money. Then I think about the entertainment industry and how anything's possible, and that there are people my age living the life I want. And why can't that fucking be me? I'm trying my hardest to make it true, but I can't catch a break, but I can't catch a break lately. Holy shit. I start crying at literally anything, and I feel like a failure. But I'm also just really burnt out. I've kept a 3.5 GPA my 4 years of college and a job too, but for the first time, I don't have a job when I'm supposed to have one lined up. And I'm trying so hard to believe in the universe and the fact that it has its own plan for me. But then I'm like, what if there is no plan? I'm just waiting on nothing. This happens almost every day within the first 10 to 30 minutes of waking up.